want to address the issue of these exhaust hangers. You know the problem. If you've worked on Mercedes, you've seen these on these old exhaust systems for years and years and years. And I can remember 20 years ago fighting these things, trying to get them on. I've probably developed 2 or 3 different types of bent screwdrivers and pick tools and other things to try to stretch these enough to get them up and over. And I know some of you are just laughing your head off saying, yeah, I've been trying to get those stupid things on for the last 20 years too. So today, because this one required a tremendous amount of stretch to get it on, I said, hey Gerson, get out here. We're going to develop a new tool. I want something that works quickly, efficiently, and works with every exhaust system and every type of round exhaust hanger. So guess what? We're going to have a new tool here. We can now just easily snap these into place. So if you've been struggling too over the years getting these things on your exhaust system, just wait until you see this new tool that we came up with. Man, I'm really frustrated, you know, with these stupid donuts. I can't get them on. I think I need to get some coffee.
So what's wrong with you?
Well, I can't get these on.
Why? You have some itchy like me?
Well, you know, these things are ridiculous. What do you got there?
This is going to help you out.
You got a back scratcher?
Back scratcher. See, you have these little nails right here?
So you got a back scratcher is going to help me get donuts on?
Exactly.
Without coffee?
Just try it. Then
okay. I'm going to try this new back scratcher and see how it works. Thank you very much.
Okay, try it.
You know, I don't think Gerson was kidding when he said you could use this as a back scratcher, but it's pretty sharp, so I recommend if you're going to scratch your back, do it with your shirt on. Don't do it on the skin. But when you see this in operation, you're going to understand how clever Gerson really is. I mean, we went through, once again, 3 or 4 evolutions of this particular tool, and it's really weird looking, but just wait until you see it in action as we get this really difficult exhaust hanger. We call these donuts, okay? That's why we say you got to get some coffee when you put these on, just to lower the stress level. But you probably won't need coffee if you get this tool right here. This is how most of us have had to fight these over the years, using some sort of screwdriver or other pry tool. And generally these will work if it's not too tight, but this one, if you put it on here first, you can't pry up in here because of the interference. Now, anytime you're putting these on, the first one is pretty easy to put on. You can just move this over to the side and pull this one on. But it's the second one, particularly on some of these that have a long gap between the 2 hangers. So the only really good way is to hook it up here first and then try to get this screwdriver and pull it down. You know, try to get in here. Oh, man. Okay, let's try it this way. You know, try to get it up like this. I can't get it over the top there. All right. Wears me out. So enter this tool. Watch this. We just hook this in here like this, pull this down, hook it on the end there, and pry it over and snap it on. Whoa, way to go, Gerson. And as you can see here, this works equally as well on those rear exhaust hangers. In fact, it's what you call a real snap. But isn't that amazing? Look at that custom tool by Gerson. He's made 5 of these. They're ready to put up on the website. So the first 5 people that purchase this tool by Gerson, they are going to get a discount. If you see it marked sold out, that means they're all gone and we're going to gear up to make more.